Guys, I've got a super cool recipe for you, fried barbecue ribs. That's right, and this gochujang barbecue sauce is going to change your life. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is start our barbecue fried rib batter. Now, the ribs that I got here, I did not make. You can make your own or get it from your favorite barbecue restaurant like I did. First things first, we've got our flour. Seasoned flour here, and then we've got our egg. I'll whisk this up and then add our buttermilk. So this recipe came, me and a bunch of other chefs were in the kitchen one day playing around with just how crazy could we turn something that everybody knows, like barbecue ribs, and just totally take it and twist it into something you've never seen before. And this is one of the crazy recipes we came up with. Okay, so you always are gonna wanna season your flour. We've got white pepper going in, granulated garlic and granulated onion, which is basically dehydrated onion and garlic. Got some cumin, smoked paprika, add a little bit of crushed black pepper, and a lot of salt. Make sure we season this up super nice. I know it might look like a lot of salt, but we've also got a lot of flour and other ingredients here. So we definitely need a lot of salt to kind of mix in with all of this flour, all the other seasonings, and the batter for our ribs. All right, it's battering time. So we got our ribs, we're gonna go flour, egg, and buttermilk mixture into flour. One hand wet, one hand dry. If you do buy your own ribs, try to get them dry. You don't want them to have barbecue sauce on them. It'll just make the battering process a lot tougher. Our ribs are all battered up. Now we're gonna throw them in our hot pan of oil. I wanna fry at about 350 degrees. It's gonna be the perfect temperature to get that beautiful golden brown crisp. So the great thing about this, the ribs are already cooked, so we don't have to wait for them to cook or be at a certain temperature. What we're really looking for is that nice golden brown, crispy batter. Our ribs are perfectly golden brown. We're gonna take them out. I'm gonna finish them with a touch more of salt, just to make sure they're seasoned all the way around. Perfect, we're gonna let these chill and cool off a little bit. While they're cooling, we're gonna make our sauce. So I've got 2 ingredients here to make a super simple, easy sauce that is gonna make your taste buds go crazy. What I have here is gochujang. It's basically a Korean red pepper paste. Right here, just have my favorite barbecue sauce. Add a little bit of this. What you're gonna get is that smoky sweetness from the barbecue sauce and that nice spice from the Korean gochujang. Perfect. I'm gonna throw my ribs in here. I'm just gonna toss them around the same way you would like fried chicken wings. I might just have to get in here and get my hands messy. More fun that way. Have some chives here too that I'm gonna use for my garnish. Set these right here. We're just gonna stack them up. Awesome, and last but not least, there's a little bit of freshness on here. I have some beautiful chives. Love the flavor of chives. It's gonna go perfect on these. There you have it, barbecue fried ribs. I'm telling you, you have to try it. I have to try it. There's no cute way to eat these, so I'm just gonna go to town.